So here we have the Audi A1 on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change information that's displayed there for various menus. So you have a radio menu, your telephone, and then back around to the beginning again. You can change information, as you can see, that's displayed underneath that digital readout for the speedometer. We back out to the steering wheel. On the left-hand side, we have the buttons I was using just a second ago. We have stereo controls as well, just here, and the volume for the stereo over that side. Underneath that, we have cruise control. And then over in the center, the main screen for the car. So up here, you can see that we have got radio. So you can go into that menu and you'll be able to see that you've got DAB, FM and medium wave radio. All of the movements that I'm making on the screen, they're all being done using primarily this dial. You can use the collection of buttons that surround it. You can go in certain menus directly from these buttons here as well, should you wish to do that. But this dial will do virtually everything. For example, if you want to listen to your own music, you rotate the dial to media, push it down. We're now in the media menu. You can see we've got an SD memory card input, CD player, Audi's multimedia interface, and also Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly as well. You can go back to the main menu. You can pair your phone from up there as well, for example. Just below that, this button here will turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows with our hazard warning lights. Back down to the stereo area where you've got the main volume for the stereo, your CD player, SD memory card inputs there as well. You can, one of those slots is for music, the other one is for the satellite navigation. There is a full video showing how the sat-nav works on our website and on our YouTube channel. Below that, we've got the air conditioning. So you can determine the temperature, the fan speed, the direction of the air. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set here. We have a rear heated screen. We can turn off the traction control. This will change the driving select or the driving mode of the car. So you can put it into auto so it decides for you. Dynamic, which will be sportier, or efficiency, which will be more economically friendly. And then we have a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.